Hey guys, it's Matt here from the Bull Call, and today we're actually going to go over Lucid and its price that we're at right now, so let's get right into it. But before we get into the video, guys, if you guys can just go quickly take 10 seconds out of your day, go down below, click that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest posts, that would be wonderful. So let's get right back into the video. Alright, so let's pull up the 4-hour charts like we always do on this channel. So if we take a look, actually I figured out that my first initial thought of us having an inverse head and shoulders was almost incorrect because there was a head and shoulders formed before. So obviously there's two different charting things going on right now. So I have one is yellow, which is the inverse head and shoulders that I was talking about before on this channel, and now we have the old inverse head and shoulders that I found, just looking at it now. So obviously you could see here's the first shoulder dropping down to create the head, drop down, shoulder, and now it will drop lower. Obviously, we wanted to see this inverse head and shoulders, and it's interesting because it did bounce. It bounced, relatively okay, and it looked like it was going to, start mooning, but it's hard to say even if this is going to happen right now because this thing trades so much off just volume and trading, and I could totally see this thing dropping off to maybe back down to like here, maybe 21, but I don't see a reason why this thing will keep dropping. I still think that, maybe we'll see a little bit of a little drop here, maybe even a little bit of a rally soon, but once we see September roll around, I don't think that we're gonna have a really good September this year. Most years September is a bad trading month for whatever reason. So normally the securities, stocks, ETFs, all of them tend to trend downwards in September. So I will start playing puts around August 25th to the 30th, and into like the first 2 weeks of September. Probably until September 13th, 14th, whatever it is. I think that we're going to have a peak of just the S&P 500 around, I want to say August 30th. We'll see like a nice peak on the S&P 500 and then a nice steep drop off from September. I think that we're going to see a nice little drop off. So I think that's going to be a little bit tough on our LCID here because we have to, we're going to see a downtrend right now. And then we want to see it go back up because we want to see it not drop below this level right here, this $17 level. I want to see this thing stay above anywhere up here. I want to make sure it stays above the 20s. That's a very nice area to stay above, this $20 level right here. It's just a very nice area to stay above at all times because once you start hitting this $17 level, then you get a little risky and it just becomes unsafe almost sometimes. So I think right now we're in a kind of sticky situation where we're, August is normally the month where stocks pump, and we're seeing this, trend downwards, and I don't think that's a great sign. But I mean, that's not saying that tomorrow this thing can't rally 18% in one day. It totally could. Or, whatever percent you want to make up, it always could. It always can. This thing kind of trades more off of anything but signals almost. I mean, we could totally see this head and shoulders totally form and push us downwards, like down here, like I was saying, 20s. But we want to see this happen very soon. Like we want to just see, if the pain's gonna come, we might as well just suffer it the next 2 days, and we want to see a strong bounce anywhere at this $21 level, and start heading higher because we need to start trending higher before September comes so we actually could stay above the $20 level. Because I think if we downtrend or pretty much stay stagnant right now, if we end like August 30th, if we end this month at 21, we're going to see lower than 20. I mean, just because, it doesn't have to. Let's just say, deliveries start happening and the stock is the only one that's really positive in September. It's totally possible. I'm just saying the overall market's going to want to trend downwards, so it's going to push, LCID, Tesla, all these other stocks downwards with it. So it's just a hard cycle to go through at September. But after September, I think, October, November, December, especially December, I think we're going to have some great, great delivery numbers and that kind of stuff. So I think that the upcoming months is crucial. I mean, not playing the short game, but just definitely look out. September is going to be a big buying month for, at least for me personally. I'm going to put tons of money into all of my accounts, go crazy on buying, because I think September is going to have a nice little dip, and hopefully we can catch S&P 500, Lucid, any of these companies on a lower price, because I want to start building up more shares and more shares so I can make more profit later on. But I mean, that's pretty much my plan for right now, guys. So just keep an eye out for the next month. This is a very crucial month. We want to make sure we stay above this $20 level. We want to see those retest at 25. I think that's a great number for us to see, and then I could see us totally dropping down in September, the first 2 weeks of September, and then we could totally rock it off there. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So just keep your eyes peeled. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.